Thank you for joining me. So today's haul video is going to be super quick, but I got my June design team kit from Scrapbooking with Me, and this particular kit is going to be a lot of fun. I love the colors in it, the blues and the yellows, almost like a greenish tone. And on some of the patterns you'll see, I think they would work really well for like Father's Day cards because they're not overly feminine. So this one comes with 6 patterns, and you get 2 of each sheet, so you get 12 sheets of paper, and you get a sticker sheet. Then we have the thickers, and I love how they have sort of like a scripty look on some of the letters, and then some of them it's just a straight font. And then we also get this ephemera piece, which when I looked at it, and I have it here in front of me, I want to say it says 38 or more pieces in it. Then we get these kind of like enamel buttons, I guess. They're really pretty. And I'm excited because Kaiser Craft has started doing these sticker books, which are really awesome. And that little piece of sticker that sticks out, I always kind of rub it up against the back and the front page so that way it doesn't stick to anything. But you get 2 pages of each. You get flowers, and I'm going to show you here. I'm going to take this one off. But these are just really good for you're doing scrapbook pages or even your cards, where you can use little clusters of flowers and stuff for your, embellishments and stuff. And then you get sentiments, you have border strips, and then you get these kind of alphas and numbers and stuff if you wanted to, date something or really anything on your projects, because sometimes you just want stuff to create layers. And I realized I could have showed you the back of it just as easy too, but it was fun flipping through, right? So I'm really excited. They're 6.5 by 6.5 pads are really awesome. The only thing that they don't do is they don't put patterns on the backside. So on these particular ones, you just have 2 sheets, 2 of each of the patterns that are in. And I'm going to wind up zooming in because I want you to be able to see some of the pattern more up close. So just bear with me here. I'm going to try and go slow. Okay. So you can see some of that embossing on there. You get really nice distressed pattern. Like that would be great for a Father's Day card, or even the newspaper print. That is a great filler. And this one, stunning. It doesn't have to be male or female. You know what I mean? It's a really nice background. And then you have more distress pages. I just think it's really open where you can do it, for any type of occasion. It's perfect with Father's Day right around the corner. And I'm going to try and make at least 1 or 2 sketches using this pattern paper and gearing it towards the Father's Day idea. Look at that. Already distressed, so you get tons of bang. And then look at this, the gold foil. Love it. I wish I had 4 sheets of it because that is gorgeous. I was just checking to see if there was anything like it in the 12 by 12. Then you get these 2 half sheets, which you can use and it would work as a layer. And then you have this gold. Oh my God. I mean, really. And then you get the different sentiments that you can use to attach to your projects. You got more borders, some tags. And I was just trying to look through to see if they had anything that might have said Father's Day. They had a collection last year that did, and I still have some of that, so I may even use that too. But it's just really, really pretty. And I was just reading the actual packaging because it says like 12 specialty papers. You get 4 die cut pages. You get a lot in their 6.5 by 6.5 pads. You really do get a lot. The 12 by 12 is a little bit smaller, so that's why in this particular kit I did want to add the 6.5 by 6.5 pad. I think it just lends for more projects, and sometimes on the back of my cards, like when I'm doing my sketches, I'll use the 12 by 12 pattern paper as my base and then use the smaller 6.5 by 6.5 to build up on top. So keep an eye out. I will be having some projects definitely using this collection this month. It's such a pretty collection, and I can't wait to get into it and use it and show you guys what I was thinking about, especially with the sticker book. So thank you for joining. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and share button. The links to scrapbookingwithme.com will be down below, as well as all of their Facebook, all their links will be down below. Okay, and if you do purchase on the website and it's anything that's not on sale, just use coupon code TT15 and you'll get an additional 15% off. Thanks, you guys, and have a great day.